Hello there everybody. Yes, I'm installing DOS on my old computer. I mean, this computer is really old. I'm thinking this computer is, let me think. I got this at work when I used to work in computer company. Let me see. I did change something. I am installing this on a compact flash card, so it's blazing fast. Matrox Millenium video card. Anyway, hold on, I got swap floppy disks. Yes, things came on floppy disks back then. Here's disk number 2. Original discs. Just like new. I'm getting sidetracked. So I started working at a computer company in '97. So I'm thinking this is probably 98, 97. One of those years. It's a Pentium MMX 233. I have it overclocked with jumpers. There's jumpers somewhere here that tell you how to run it faster. I don't remember. I don't know where they are. Let me get some light in this thing. Hold on. There's some jumpers down here. I'm not sure. It's been so long ago. There's more jumpers down there by the memory slot. It's hard to see. Anyway, I got it overclocked to 266. Whoa, huge difference. But you know, at that time when overclocking was kind of new, people did whatever they could, and it's running perfectly stable. And I got 256 megs of RAM. So that's a lot for a Pentium 1 system. Anyway, I'm doing DOS first. One more floppy disk. I'm gonna install the mouse because you need mouse drivers. QMM. I had the original discs. These are copies. My friend took the original discs. And Windows for Workgroups. Anyway, last disc. This motherboard has a USB header, which I have to plug in a little USB extension cable right in there. I'll get it, I'll find one. I have one somewhere here. I'll plug it in. Right now there's no USBs on this motherboard. This is what it looks like in the back. Ancient style keyboard with an adapter and a PS2 mouse for now. I'll get the USB keyboard in here once I plug in the USB header. I got them somewhere, I just don't know where I have them. I got Sound Blaster AWE32 card in here, I believe. Let me see. Is this a AWE32? Hold on. I don't know. It is because the Subwoofer 16 didn't have memory banks over here. These are for sound fonts in Windows. I guess maybe DOS has those also. Made in Singapore, all the way down there. It's hard to see. Anyway, this is a MicroStar motherboard, I believe. TX4 or something. The model number when it boots up is different. Wow, look at this. DOS is done installing. Hold on, let me pause while I put this light away. Okay, let's reboot. Press enter. Okay. Press enter. There it is. DOS shell? What? I thought that was DOS shell. Let me see. Maybe I gotta go CD DOS. What? I know there's DOS shell on here. Or maybe it's just called shell. It's so long that I did this. Alright, hold on. Let's see what the hell's in here. I know DOS shell exists. DOS key. This is really weird. Hold on a second, let me find this before this video's over. My phone lets me record 10 minutes only. I have no idea. I don't see DOS shell. I'm really lost. I remember seeing DOS shell back in the days. But I'll make my 4 gig compact flash card a little bit more efficient by installing drive space right there. Let's get that hard drive bigger. No, let's not back up anything. See, continue. Alright, it's gonna scan the disk. So anyway, no DOS shell, but I have drive space. I have no idea what happened to DOS shell. If any of you know what's DOS shell, I remember seeing that. Unless that was in the previous DOS versions. Anyway, talk to you guys later.